Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to recover Brawl Stars account. Brawl Stars is a mobile multiplayer online battle arena game developed and published by Supercell. Players can play various game modes such as Gem Crab, Showdown, and Bounty among others. Choose from a wide roster of brawlers, each with their unique abilities and playstyles. In this guide, we will tell you how to recover your Brawl Stars account if you've lost it. So first, you need to connect to Game Center on Android. If you have connected your Brawl Stars account to either of these platforms, try downloading the game on a new device and connecting to the same account. This should allow you to recover your lost account. The second option is logging in from multiple devices. If you have multiple devices, try downloading the game on each one and connecting to the same account. This may help you recover your lost account if your progress is saved on the Game Center or Google Play Games. The third option is logging in from a link account. If you link your Brawl Stars account with a social media account like Facebook or Google, try logging in using that account. And fourth, contacting the support. You can contact the Brawl Stars support team through the in-app support feature or by emailing support@brawlstyle.com. Provide as much information about your account as possible to help the support team identify and recover it. And last, provide account information. When you contact support, make sure to provide your correct username and in-game purchases and the date you last played in the game. This will help the support team easily identify your account and help you recover it. It's important to keep your account information and login details secure to prevent unauthorized access. Additionally, regularly backing up your account data can help you recover it in case of loss or theft. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.